Small businesses face a growing challenge: managing IT support effectively. Did you know that downtime can cost hundreds of dollars per minute? And with SMBs becoming frequent targets of data breaches, robust IT support is more crucial than ever. As Willis Cantey, CEO of Cantey Tech Consulting, says, effective IT support is about providing value, not just services. The average cost of IT support varies based on factors like business size, IT complexity, and service level. Typically, costs are structured per hour, per project, or through monthly retainers. Hourly rates range from $85 to $225, which can add up quickly if you need frequent assistance. Project-based support is ideal for specific tasks like network setup or cybersecurity solutions, costing anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s. Monthly retainers offer predictability, with fees ranging from $750 to over $2,000, depending on the support level. For small businesses, basic IT support starts at around $750 per month, covering help desk and occasional on-site visits. More comprehensive packages, including network management and cybersecurity, range from $1,000 to $1,750 per month. Advanced support for extensive managed services can exceed $2,000 monthly. Several factors influence these costs: company size, service level, response time, expertise, and geographic location. Investing in IT support is not just an expense, but a strategic move to prevent IT failures, minimize downtime, and enhance system efficiency. To read the full article, visit our website, and don't forget to add this podcast to your Spotify playlist. Thanks for listening.